Hello everyone. Today I am going to design 420 volt solar PV module in the Simulink software. Basically we are using the Simulink to simulate the solar PV module because Simulink is the best software to simulate the renewable energy systems. The main reason for this is because Simulink consists of already built modules of the renewable energy system. So first of all, to open Simulink you just have to first open MATLAB, and here you can see an icon with the name Simulink. Just click on this icon and your window of the Simulink software will be open. Okay, now for start designing the PV module we need some components, and we can find the components in the Simulink library. Just click on view and the first option that you will see is the library browser. Click on this icon to open the Simulink library. So this is a library where you can find any component. So from this entire list you just have to first find Simscape. So in this list you can find Simscape here. Just click on Simscape, then click on the power systems from these all options. Then click on specialized technology, then click on renewables, and from these three options you just have to click on solar to find the solar PV module. Just drag this component to the working window of the Simulink. When you see this module, you can see that on left side of the PV array there are two input terminals with the names IR, which stands for irradiance, and T stands for temperature. So you can just provide these two values from these two terminals. Now on the right side of the block you can see there are three terminals. The bottom two are positive and negative terminals, and top first one is the measurement port, which can be used to measure the temperature, irradiance and other parameters. Basically in Simulink you can find the details of the modules by just double clicking on this module of the PV module. So basically you can find all details of the parameters of the PV array block. So after double clicking on it, this window will appear, and here you can see all the details of the parameters, module data and each and everything.